Hello friends, I'm going to discuss illustration number 30 of portfolio management CMA final SFM. Okay, please look at it. Illustration number 30. The total market value of equity of the company is 60 lakh and the total value of debt is 40 lakh. The treasury estimate that the beta of the stock is currently 1.5 and that of the expected risk premium of the market is 12%. Risk premium of the market, this is said to be RM minus RF, that equal to 12%. This is the 12%. The treasury bill rate is 10%. Treasury bill rate is 10% means risk free rate of return 10%. Then what is the beta of the company existing portfolio assets? Beta of the company you have to calculate. In this case, what is given? Value of equity is given rupees 60 lakh. Value of debt is given rupees 40 lakh. Now beta of the equity is given 1.5. RM minus RF is given 12%. Risk free rate of return 10%. Now what is the formula of beta assets? Answer of A part. Beta assets is asking to you. Beta assets equal to beta equity value of equity, value of debt plus value of equity plus beta debt value of debt, value of equity, value of debt. This is given 1.5 and value of equity, this is 60 lakh whole divided by 60 lakh plus 40 lakh. Beta debt, whenever beta debt is not given, it is assumed to be 0. This is a 40 lakh divided by 60 lakh plus 40 lakh. Now 1.5 into 0.60, that equal to 0.90. This is the beta of the assets. Okay, and now it is what is the beta of the assets? In next question, estimate the company's cost of capital. Cost of capital is the expected return as per CAPM, but beta you have to write beta assets. Look at it. In the case of cost of equity, risk free rate of return, beta equity you need to write here RM minus RF. Cost of capital, in the case of cost of capital, you write risk free plus beta assets in this case, cost of capital, and the same risk free premium you have to write. To calculate cost of equity, you write here beta equity. To calculate cost of capital, you have to write here beta assets. Okay, look at it. Answer of B part. Calculation of cost of capital. It is represented by KO. Beta assets RM minus RF. Risk free rate of return, this is 10%, 0.90, this is 12%. 10% plus 10.8%, 20.8%. This is your answer. Okay. And the discount rate for the expansion of the company present business. Discount rate is generally used in capital budgeting, and capital budgeting, what you have to do for evaluating any project, you have, this is the present value of cash outflow 1 2 3 4 5. There is a cash inflow, cash inflow, cash inflow, cash inflow, cash inflow. These all cash inflows are bringing in present. To calculate present value, you need a discount rate. And that discount rate is the cost of capital. Cost of capital. The discount rate for present business is a cost of capital. Cost of capital, that is 20.8%. Cost of capital. If you are going to diversified, and there you need to calculate discount rate, according to the diversified risk you calculate discount rate there. Okay beta, this is the complete questions, and thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Okay, thank you class.